little minions, it is me, Beau. I am looking out in my backyard. You will see my shed out there, and it's quite a ways away. So I wanted to actually get a doorbell chime and hook it up to that door on the off chance that, I don't know, maybe someone tries to sneak in and steal my leaf blower or something, and it will chime in my house quite a long ways away. Oh, by the way, this is a giant slide. We got that installed when we put our deck in. How cool is that? Anyway, let's do this. Let's look at this little unboxing here, shall we? Okay, so we're going to be greeted by the initial little chime thing, which we can plug in. Okay, all right, that's cute. And then we have buried underneath there is the actual door sensor. Great. All right, it does look like it comes with a battery already in there. That's nice. We'll just have to pull that out to activate it. And then we have this little guy, which also goes on the door jamb. And you can tell that that's kind of magnetic because it kind of picks up those screws. So that's easy enough. How cool is that? All right, well, let's go ahead and put this together and see if in fact it reaches a long ways, because that shed is quite a long ways where this is going to be plugged in our house. Now Lippy is going to show you the basic functionality of this doorbell chime. Go ahead and plug it in. And now we eventually are going to get this little sticky pad and this little sticky pad along with some provided screws, and we're going to mount this. But I just want to show you right here, when the one of this is mounted on a door jamb and then the other one is mounted on the door, when the door opens, all right, let's go ahead and change the chime by pushing this. So that's gonna be the next chime. Let's go ahead and turn down the volume, which is this side. It's got 52 different chimes. 52. There's gonna be a lot of options for you. By the way, for you people out there who are trying to figure out how to pair this little thing to this, very easy to do. So let's say, for example, you take it off and it's not chiming. You've unplugged it, you put it back in, it's just not working. Here's what you do. First of all, go ahead and put it together, okay? Now what we're going to do is we are going to press this and hold it down until it beeps, and then go over here and it beeped. Did you hear that when we did it? Now put it back. Now select this again, and that has just paired it to that. Okay, so now theoretically when we take it off, it should chime. Here we go. There it is, it works. It is now paired. All right, here we are inside of our shed, and I want to show you something really cool about this door sensor. Now, you might think that it has to be oriented in a certain way, but it's very versatile. So if we were to close this all the way, you will see that I actually have this positioned not parallel, but rather perpendicular. Does that make sense? So the actual door sensor is perpendicular to the transmitter, which is right here. And I just mounted this, not even with the included screws, but just the double-sided sticky back tape. And so if we look at it from this perspective right there, you will see that there is about maybe 2 millimeter gap between those two things. So let's go ahead and take a look outside. And we're gonna close our shed. And now it's all, well, it's not locked, but let's say, for example, someone was gonna take my leaf blower or my weed whacker, which quite honestly, you guys are welcome to take any of those old tools because they're horrible. They don't work very well. Here we go. So they're gonna sneak in here in the middle of the night. They're gonna open this up, go ahead and listen. And my house is way over there. All right, be quiet. 3, 2, 1, open. Did you hear that? It chimed. It chimed inside the house. Wow, it worked, everybody, it worked.